Let's begin with a story. A gentleman was walking through an elephant camp and he spotted that the elephants weren't being kept in cages or held by the use of chains. All that was holding them back from escaping the camp was a small piece of rope tied to one of their legs. As the man gazed upon the elephants, he was completely confused as to why the elephants didn't just use their strength to break the rope and escape from the camp. They could easily have done that, but instead they didn't try at all. Curious and wanting to know the answer, he asked the trainer nearby why the elephants were just standing there and never trying to escape. The trainer replied, "When they were very, very young and much smaller, we used to use the same size ropes to tie them, and at that age, it was enough to hold them. As they grew up, they were conditioned to believe that they couldn't break away. They believe the rope can still hold them, so they never tried to break free." The only reason that the elephants weren't breaking free and escaping from the camp was that over time they adapted and believed that it wasn't possible. The moral of the story: no matter how much the world tries to hold you back, always continue and believe that what you do and what you achieve is possible. Believing that you can become successful is the most important step in actually achieving. How does this improve your viewers? Well, it's very simple. We're already a minute into this video and you're still here watching this. Telling a great story is one of the best ways to hook your audience into watching a video. Now, this was just a simple story about an elephant, but the way we told the story incorporates some videos, again, changing different sceneries, allow the audience to really engage into the story. So when you're making any type of video on YouTube, you typically want to have some type of hook right off the bat, because when you do something along those lines, it gets the brain a little more intrigued, a little more curious, and wanting to know more and more what's going on with the video. Now in this video, like I said, we started off with a longer story which talked about an elephant. A lot of people love elephants and therefore want to learn more and more about the story. Now that being said, if you didn't enjoy elephants, then most likely did click off, and that is going to be the case sometimes. When it comes to YouTube videos, you're not going to please every single person when you make a YouTube video, and you just have to accept that. That is one of the big things you have to realize when you do anything in life, because if you're doing anything you enjoy, there's going to be someone out there that is not going to be on your side, that's going to go against you, and you just have to stick with your guns, your beliefs, your systems, and keep working and grinding at those things that you're doing, because eventually it will pay off. You'll get your followers, your backing, and people will continue to follow which direction you are going, and that is going to be massive when it comes not only to growing a YouTube channel, when it comes to doing anything in life. So I hope this video itself was inspirational for you. I hope you even enjoyed the video and the story about the elephant. I thought that was a really interesting story that some people probably have not heard before. If you did enjoy this video, I would greatly appreciate if you hit the like button and subscribe down below. Again, that helps get this video to more and more people such as yourself and helps with the YouTube algorithm. Again, I thank you so much, and I will see you next time.